Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to start a game. And now this is going to be assuming you've started with your starter package. So the first thing you need to do is log into the back office, come down to this section that says game over here up there. So click on game. So then this loads up your game settings. Then you need to create a game user, click on that. So it says user game account created, perfect, click on OK. And then you need to click on launch game. And then click on it again. So what this does is it loads up your deck, and if you've started with a starter package for $50, then you'll be having something like 6 cards to play, and you'll need to play these 6 cards in order to get your drops for the month. So if you're, let's say this month we're running with RFox, so yeah, I mean if you want RFox tokens, then you need to place the cards to get those tokens. And you need, as a starter pack, you need 4 cards minimum to get the tokens. So out of those 6, we're going to be playing 4, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so here we are, we're back. It actually took a little bit of time to actually load up this. So first things first, you see over here you have different kinds of hands, but since we only have the starter package for $50, we're going to only be able to play the community pool. So the first thing you need to do is click on pool down here, and then click on communities. And now we are going to be putting in cards over here. We have 1 day remaining for the RFox airdrop. So my recommendation is to use the cards, specifically 4 cards where you have the most number of cards, if that makes sense. Wouldn't make sense playing an ace because these are really valuable. But as you see here, we have a 9, we have an 8, and we have a 5. So these would be pretty good candidates. If we won't play a queen, we'll be keeping this. So these are the 4 cards we'll be playing. We'll be playing a 9, an 8, a 5, and a 4. So you can play any of these cards. So we'll be clicking them in one by one, and we're going to start with 9. Just drag and drop, confirm. Then we'll take the 8, drag and drop, confirm. And then let's see, what else do we have? We'll take the 5 from here, confirm. And then we take the 4 and confirm. Okay, and that's it. We've played our 4 cards, and that's it. That's all there is to it, guys. I mean, of course, the starter pack is a good way to start with this, but my recommendation is the sweet spot, which is let me quickly go back and show you the packages very briefly. Let's see, by packages. If you can definitely wing it, my recommendation is to start with the silver pack, because with the silver pack, you get quite a number of cards. You get up to 60 cards added on top of these cards that you already have. So if you have any questions, hit us up in the WhatsApp, and yeah, all the best with Swapit.